Hello students, today we are going to discuss human female hormones. Question 1. What is estradiol and what role does it play in female reproductive health? Answer. Estradiol, a form of estrogen, is primarily produced in the ovaries. It plays a crucial role in the regulation of the menstrual cycle, development of female secondary sexual characteristics, and maintenance of reproductive tissues. Question 2. Which hormone is responsible for the regulation of the menstrual cycle and pregnancy, and where is it produced? Answer. Progesterone, produced mainly by the corpus luteum in the ovaries during the second half of the menstrual cycle and by the placenta during pregnancy, is key for regulating the menstrual cycle and maintaining pregnancy. Question 3. How does the hormone prolactin influence female reproductive health? Answer. Prolactin, produced by the anterior pituitary gland, primarily stimulates milk production after childbirth. It can also affect menstrual function by inhibiting follicle stimulating hormone FSH and gonadotropin releasing hormone GnRH. Question 4. What is the role of follicle stimulating hormone FSH in women? Answer. FSH, released by the anterior pituitary gland, stimulates the growth and maturation of ovarian follicles in the ovary. It works in conjunction with LH to trigger estrogen production and ovulation. Question 5. Describe the function and source of luteinizing hormone LH in women. Answer. LH is also secreted by the anterior pituitary gland. It plays a critical role in triggering ovulation and stimulates the corpus luteum to produce progesterone. Question 6. How do oral contraceptives influence hormone levels in women? Answer. Oral contraceptives typically contain synthetic forms of estrogen and progesterone. They primarily work by suppressing LH and FSH release, which prevents ovulation, thus acting as an effective form of birth control. Question 7. What is the role of human chorionic gonadotropin HCG during pregnancy? Answer. HCG, produced by the placenta shortly after implantation, signals the corpus luteum to continue producing progesterone, thereby sustaining the uterine lining and supporting early pregnancy. Question 8. How does the hypothalamus interact with female reproductive hormones? Answer. The hypothalamus produces gonadotropin releasing hormone GnRH, which stimulates the pituitary to release FSH and LH, key regulators of the menstrual cycle and ovulation. Question 9. What impacts does menopause have on hormone production in women? Answer. During menopause, the ovaries gradually cease functioning and produce less estrogen and progesterone, leading to cessation of menstruation and symptoms like hot flashes and osteoporosis. Question 10. Explain the relationship between estrogen and bone health. Answer. Estrogen helps maintain bone density by promoting the activity of osteoblasts, bone building cells, and inhibiting osteoclast, bone resorbing cells, thus playing a key role in preventing osteoporosis. Question 11. What hormone is used clinically to treat certain cases of infertility and how does it work? Answer. Synthetic form of FSH and LH, often administered as gonadotropins, are used to stimulate ovulation in women experiencing infertility, enhancing the chances of conception. Question 12. How does the hormone relaxin contribute to childbirth? Answer. Relaxin, produced by the ovaries and placenta, helps in childbirth by relaxing the ligaments in the pelvis and softening and widening the cervix. Question 13. Discuss the role of oxytocin in female reproductive health. Answer. Oxytocin, produced by the posterior pituitary gland, is crucial for initiating labor contraction and promoting milk ejection during breastfeeding. Question 14. What are the effects of androgen in women? Answer. Androgens such as testosterone, produced primarily by the adrenal glands and ovaries, are involved in pubic and axillary hair growth, and they play a role in libido and normal ovarian function. Question 15. Describe how anti-Mullerian hormone AMH is used as a marker of ovarian reserve. Answer. AMH produced by ovarian follicles is used to measure ovarian reserve. Higher levels indicate a greater number of remaining eggs, whereas lower levels suggest diminished ovarian reserve. Question 16. How does leptin interact with female reproductive function? Answer. Leptin, a hormone produced by adipose tissue, communicates nutritional status to the brain and is necessary for normal reproductive functioning. Insufficient levels can disrupt menstruation and fertility. Question 17. What hormonal changes occur during pregnancy to prepare the body for breastfeeding? Answer. During pregnancy, elevated levels of estrogen and progesterone stimulate the growth of milk ducts and glands in the breast. Post delivery, the drop in these hormones coupled with high prolactin levels initiates milk production. Question 18. Can hormones influence mood in women? Answer. Yes, fluctuations in estrogen and progesterone can affect neurotransmitter pathways in the brain, impacting mood and emotion. This is evident in mood changes during the menstrual cycle, postpartum period, and menopause. Question 19. What is the role of inhibin in the female body? Answer. Inhibin produced by the ovary negatively regulates FSH production from the pituitary gland. It helps to control the rate of follicle development during the menstrual cycle. Question 20. How do hormone replacement therapies HRT mitigate menopausal symptoms? Answer. HRT involves the administration of medications containing female hormones, typically estrogen and sometimes progesterone, to replace the ones the body no longer produces after menopause, helping alleviate symptoms like hot flashes and vaginal dryness.